swimming into the sea.
That sounds like fun.
Or flying in the air like a bird.
Or a superhero. Maybe getting rid of
What are you doing?
Stay here with us on this dreamy good night, and we'll help Star get ready for bed.
What are you doing? Huh?
Don't go away. The good night show will be right back.
The adventurous princesses dashed
What are
through the
you
magical
doing?
forest, danced over the cobblestones of the village, and raced across the palace courtyard on their Disney princess bike from Huffy. With the Disney princess characters and a removable carriage on handlebars, they carried them across the river, past the ferocious dragon, and straight through the gates of the castle, just in the nick of time to start the next adventure. The adventure your princess imagines is on Disney princess bikes, trikes, and scooters, only from Huffy.
Old Navy is helping you warm up all the way with sweaters for the whole family. Hey, kids, how you liking those sweaters, Audrey?
Love the stripes.
Are you eating my shoulder?
Awesome, Dad. Audrey,
Super cute.
you're all listening?
I did it again.
And you two, who are you?
You, Audrey. And Russell.
Bedtime.